Account registration. Operation 1. Download the app. You can download the app by searching Tuya Smart, Smart Life in mobile app stores or scanning the following QR code. Should you encounter any difficulties, please scan the QR code to contact customer service. Operation 2. Experience Mode Demonstration. Clicking Try as Guest will display a prompt page. Clicking Continue signifies your acceptance of the trial mode terms, after which you will proceed to the home screen. Operation 3. Register an account. Click Register. Enter your mobile number, email address, and click Get Verification Code. After entering the verification code, you will be redirected to the password setup page. Please set your password as required and click Done. Operation 4. Login account. You may choose to log in using your account credentials or via a third-party social media account. To log in to your account, enter your username and password, then click Login.